Welcome to 911 Crypto Channel. We've got lots of interesting crypto news update as of July 26th. Let's begin with crypto market update. Bitcoin price $67,236, Ethereum price $3,239, and Solana price at $178. Let's take a closer look at Bitcoin chart. Bitcoin successfully retested the 65,000 as support to confirm the further development of Bitcoin's price action between $65,000 and $71,500 in a red zone. Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index is 68 as of writing this report. If we zoom out, we can see a Bitcoin bull market, progress 41.4%. This progress bar based on standard halving cycles. Something to keep in mind. Do you see a green circle? We are currently here, and this is where the fun begins. Bitcoin ETFs have seen over $3 billion in net inflows in July so far. The ETFs have bought over 48,000 BTC in July alone, the biggest month since March. We believe the second wave is coming. Let's take a quick look at the Bitcoin 2024 conference. That is happening today in Nashville. The speakers lineup is looking insane. VanEck CEO says he owns way over 30% of his portfolio in Bitcoin. And why selling in a bull market? Listen to this short clip.
I think the toughest allocation question I have, and I know a lot of individuals think about this as well, is why should I be selling Bitcoin? If I believe the super bull case, why am I constantly selling into this bull market? I mean, we just came out with research that talked about a price close to $3 million a coin in the scenario where it's adopted as a reserve asset globally. Now, that's very speculative, and that would be extreme adoption. But that's where professional investors like us in our day jobs say, oh no, you've got to do mean variance optimization, you can't hold too much. And everyone I meet at Bitcoin conferences owns way more in their own portfolio. And I always say, wait a minute, I always want to tell people what I'm doing personally because they should know, right?
Well, what are you doing personally?
I'm like way over 30%.
Okay.
Just in, State of Michigan pension, reported owning $6.6 million in Bitcoin ETF per SEC filings. What Michael Saylor just said about Bitcoin, that the U.S. government should own the majority of the Bitcoin in the world. We totally agree with Mr. Saylor. Listen to this.
So the country's got to look to the future, and the future of the country is in cyberspace. And Bitcoin is, in essence, cyber Manhattan. So the way you back the dollar is you buy Manhattan for pieces of paper and trinkets, and you buy it before it's worth hundreds of trillions of dollars, just like the Dutch bought New York for $50 worth of plastic beads. And so I think that it's right in front of us. The United States owns the majority of the gold in the world. The U.S. federal government owns 28% of the land, in the United States. The U.S. government should own the majority of the Bitcoin in the world.
Another bullish news. Semler Scientific plans to sell stocks to buy more Bitcoin.
What we're looking to do is to sell stock for general corporate purposes, including possibly the purchase of more Bitcoin.
Oh, wow. Okay.
And the SEC has
some exciting news happening here on the desk.
So the SEC has been, we've been waiting for a while now for the SEC to approve it. They've had comments on our Bitcoin strategy, which will become public information. But they, they're not friends of crypto or Bitcoin, and so I think they're going to, take their time before they approve our filing. But we're hoping that will happen soon, and that will enable us to buy more Bitcoin, I hope.
News after news, guys, just in. Bitcoin makes a new all-time high in Brazil. Also, Robert F. Kennedy Jr. says, I put most of my wealth into Bitcoin. I am fully committed. Listen to this.
How has your experience been so far?
I'm a huge supporter of Bitcoin. I was here a year ago at the other Bitcoin conference. I went home with most of my wealth into Bitcoin, so I'm fully committed.
Most analysts say Bitcoin breakout imminent. A breakout from the current pattern could quickly catapult BTC towards the intermediate target of $88,500, especially when we have such bullish news. This news will bring a lot of questions. Why Elon removed Bitcoin emoji? The Bitcoin community is buzzing on X, wondering what has made Elon Musk's X platform remove the Bitcoin hashmoji after its absence was noticed. Its removal was then confirmed by an X team member. X no longer shows Bitcoin hashmoji. X user Doge Designer, who is a member of the Doge team and an X insider, shared that the Bitcoin hashmoji does not work on X anymore. Only the Bitcoin hashtag is left. He did not provide any explanation for this unexpected decision, leaving the crypto community on X puzzled. Heated discussions have been rising about what made Elon Musk order the removal of the Hashmoji of the world's flagship cryptocurrency, which was added by the Twitter co-founder and its former CEO, Bitcoiner Jack Dorsey. We want to hear your thoughts. Let us know in a comment section below. Let's jump to altcoins. Another very excited bullish news as of today, guys. Ethereum flag raised at Wall Street. Looks like bull run starts here. Ethereum Fear and Greed Index is at 54, which is a neutral status. Current price as of recording this video at $3,243. Solana is back above $180, up 11%. Latest meme coins update. You know, PopCat, a Solana's meme coin, is now the biggest gainer among the top 100 tokens by market cap. Solana is truly gearing up. Solana's DeFi total value has surged to $5.33 billion. And these are leading protocols by total value on Solana. Jito Sol hit $2.12 billion. Marinade Finance currently at $1.41 billion. And Camino Finance at $1.32 billion. Just now, Solana meme coin Bonk flips OP, Ethereum Layer 2 in market cap. Solana is really making a huge moves. Something to pay attention, friends. Solana is approaching an all-time high against Ethereum. The Sol pair is up plus 5% in the last 24 hours. In case you didn't know, Solana flips BNB in market cap. If looking at Solana's weekly chart, looks like the Solana retest was successful. Continue to hold this red area as new support, and SOL will be able to at least revisit the $202 resistance over time. This is very bullish for Solana. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments below. Up next, the most socially mentioned NFT projects as of today. Next, top gainers of the week. The most bullish tokens under $180 million through $200 million market cap, plus DexScreener trending projects on Ethereum ecosystem. Top gainers of the day. And of course, top crypto projects by social activity. And before we end our daily report, we want to share an exclusive video from Janet Yellen. Please take a quick look at this short video clip. Something to consider. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.
We are all interdependent in dealing with pandemic events. All of us around the globe need to be prepared to identify and address new health threats that emerge, since they can affect the entire globe. And today we began to launch another round of funding. The United States said today that we committed to contribute up to $667 million toward a $2 billion goal. And all of my colleagues involved with this effort commented on the importance of this initiative, that unfortunately COVID-19 is unlikely to be the last global health threat we face, and what we know is that we need to be much better prepared. This fund is helping us get there.